So let's open the book at page number 10 and we'll start with the exercise given here. We have चित्रों को पहचाने और शब्दों को पूरा करें. So we have to look at the picture and we have to complete the words. Now you have to fill in the missing letter here. So we have m dash r. You will add the letter g to it. It becomes magar. Then go to the next picture. We have, look at the picture here. We have f and then we have to add one more letter here. So we will add l. It becomes fal. Now go to the next picture. We have b dash kh. We'll add the letter th to it. It becomes batak. Next picture, k dash l. We'll add the letter m to it. It becomes kamal. Then go to the next picture. We have bh dash n. It becomes bhavan. Then go to the next picture. That's the last one. We have bh dash t. We'll add the letter g. It becomes bhagat. So these are the pictures. We will fill the missing letters to make proper words. Now go to the next part. We have निम्नलिखित चित्रों में स्वर से शुरू होने वाले चित्रों पर टिक का निशान लगाएं. So the pictures which start with the swar, we have to put a tick mark on that. Swar means a, I, u. So the letters which start with a, I, we have to look at the pictures here and then we have to put a tick mark accordingly. So here this is the picture of Imli. So it starts with a. It's a swar, so we'll add a tick mark. This is Gadi. This starts with kh, but it's not a swar, so we'll put a cross mark. Then go to the next picture. This is Ullu. It starts with u. It's a swar, so we'll add a tick mark. Then this is Hathoda, or we can also call it Hathodi. So it's a vyanjan, and we are going to put a cross here. Now go to the next picture. We have here Aurat. So Aurat, it starts with Aw, so we'll put a tick mark. It's a swar. Go to the next picture. It's Tapli, so it starts with T, and it's a vyanjan, so we'll not put a tick mark. Only the letters which start with a, I, for that we have to put a tick mark. So Imli, Ullu, and Aurat, they're all swar. So on that we have to put a tick mark in the box provided. Now let's go to the third question. It's बादल में उपयुक्त व्यंजन लेकर चित्रों का नाम पूरा करें. So in this cloud we have some letters. That's a vyanjan. We have to put it accordingly in the places here. So first picture is dash lama. We have to add k. From this box we will add the letters accordingly which will suit it. So it becomes k lama kalam. The next is dash de ka. You will add the letter l. It becomes ladka. Then for the next picture we have ka ba u dash r. We will add the letter t. It becomes kabutar. So next picture is pa ta ang and dash. So we'll add the letter g from here and it becomes patang. That's kite. Then we have dash kara e. This is ba kara e, bakri. We have chosen the letter from here, b. Then the last picture, the na u dash. So we'll add the letter sh from here. The nash means bow. So we have the words kalam, ladka, kabutar, patang, bakri, and dhanush. Now here we have the jumbled letters. We have swar also and vyanjan also. We have to choose the swar and write it here, and we have to choose the vyanjan from the jumble box and write it here. So the question goes like this. नीचे वर्ग में किसी ने स्वर और व्यंजन मिला दिए हैं. आप उन्हें अलग अलग करके सही स्थान पर लिखें. So in this box we have jumbled swar and vyanjan. We have to put them in the appropriate boxes. So in the first row we have a, k, and m. So a is a swar. It will go to this side. And k and m are vyanjan, they will go to this side. Then we have second row a, sh, and o. So a is a swar, it will go to this side. Sh being a vyanjan, it will go to this side. And o, it's again a swar, it will come to this side. Then the next line, G, T, S. These are all Vyanjan. So we have no letter on this side, and we have to write G, T, and S as they are all Vyanjan. We'll have to write it this side. Then go to A, T, and Th. So A is a swar, we'll write it here, and the rest two you will write them here. T and Th, you will write it here. Then the last row, I, E, and Ch. These two are swar, they will go this side, I and E, and Ch being a Vyanjan, it will go to this side. So we have to separate the swar from the Vyanjan, swar going to this side and the Vyanjan going to this side. You can do it on your own also later on. So let's go to one more page which we have not done earlier. This is page number 15, and here we have the avyas. We have to write, join and write, milakar likhe. So we have ma plus na, it becomes man, man. You have to join and write. So you will remove this addition sign, you will write them all together, whether it's a 2-letter word, 3-letter word, or 4-letter word. So we have path, you will write path, pahal, pahel. Then you write dagar, write it all together, dagar. Then write bachpan, bachpan. Then write jal, char, jalchar. Then write, this is all 2-letter, 3-letter, or 4-letter words. Now go to the next exercise. चित्रों के सही नाम पर गोला करें. Gola means to encircle or put a circle. You have to look at the pictures here and you have to circle the proper word here. Now look at this picture. This is tub. So we will circle tub here, as chat is not there in the picture, jug is not there in the picture, and leher is also not there in the picture. So the appropriate word is tub. We have to circle tub by looking at the picture here. We have to see the picture and put a circle on the proper word. Now here this is a long quote. This is achkan. So we have to choose the words here. So we have anban, mahal, achkan, and ghar. So we'll circle this word achkan. Third picture is salt. Salt is called namak. It's a packet of salt. So we will see the words here, kamal, naman, pavan, and namak. So this is namak. We will circle it. Now the last one is the picture of magar. It's also called magarmach. So we will look at the word here, pakad. Then we have sadak. Then we have magar. Then we have nagar. So we will circle magar here, because this is the picture of magarmach. So look at the pictures carefully and circle the proper words. Now go to the next page. Now we have here chitra dekhkar naam likhe. We have to look at the pictures and when we have to write the names. Look at the picture and see what it is, and then you will write the name accordingly. This is a bus, so you will write bus, a bus. Then go to the other picture. This is a drink. You will write sharbat, shar, shar, bat, sharbat. Then go to the next picture. We have utensils here. So this is bartan, bartan. The next picture is the vegetable. It's shalgam, shal, gam. Shalgam is also written shaljam also. We can write shaljam also or shalgam also. Both are correct. Then we have bhavan. This is a picture of a bhavan. Then go to the next picture. This is rath. Okay. Then go to this picture here. This is jug, and this is the picture of a vegetable, that's ginger. You can call it adraka, adrak. So you have bas, sharbat, we have bartan, we have shalgam, we have bhavan, we have rath, jug, and adrak. Bas, you already know, bas is bas, sharbat is a drink. Then we have bartan is utensils, shalgam is turnip, bhavan is a palace, big house, or a palace also we can call it, a palatial house. But here it's given as a simple house. Here rath is a chariot, jug means a jug only, and adrak is ginger. Now go to the next, last exercise. This is alag karke likhe. You have to split. These are the words here. You have to split them. Like you have tan. So you will break it up into two. letters. The plus na. So jal, you will break it. J plus l. Sabak, s plus b plus k. Then tehel, t plus h plus l. Then kaldrav, k plus l plus r plus v. You have to split it. Then we have the last shaljam, sh plus l plus j plus m. Shaljam and shalgam is one and the same thing. So you will practice to write. You can do this in the notebook also if you want to. And you can practice to read a lot. Reading is more important. So practice to read all the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, and try to write neatly. That's it all for today. Thank you.